Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm back with another video from my addicted blogging channel, and this video will be an amazing video guys, because in this video we will check about a watch face which you can use as an always on display watch face. That means you can literally use a total watch face for the always on display, and the always on display will never go off, and a watch face will always be displayed on your Amazfit GTS 2 mini. How great will be that? So we will be revealing that watch face for this watch, and we will see how we can set that watch face for Amazfit GTS 2 mini as an always on display. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say us, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon, because I will be making more videos like this. So I will be revealing the watch face in a while, but first of all we will see how you can set that always on display for the watch face in Amazfit GTS 2 mini. It's really easy, so stay tuned guys. I will be revealing the watch face in a while. So first of all, we need to do some basic steps in order to activate the always on display as the watch face. What a two step is, first of all we need to install the Notify app, which is a great app for the Amazfit GTS 2 mini. You will get a lot of customizations and also the tricks, so make sure you have installed this Notify app, and also connect the watch with the Notify app via Bluetooth. Once you have done that, then you need to go to the always on display options in the watch. So for that you need to come to the settings of the watch. Once you come to settings, you will get the screen of watch face option. In the enabled, you need to enable it, and also you need to follow the current watch face in the watch face style. Make sure you have selected this option, follow current watch face, to get the watch face activated for Amazfit GTS 2 mini as the always on display watch face. So now we will see how to do that. Is you need to go to the Notify app. So once you come to the Notify app, you need to come to the mailbox icon and go to watch faces option. Once you come to the watch faces option, you will see a lot of new watch faces which are added for Amazfit GTS 2 mini, and also some of the watch faces which you can use as an always on display watch face. So I will show you with one watch face right now, and that watch face is a really simple watch face, that is the Rolex watch face. This watch face has a full featured always on display with the unique color and everything in the always on display. So total watch face will be displayed, and your watch face or watch will not go off by any chance. So we will see how it will look. So let's install this watch face first. So you can see it is taking a lot more time to install this watch face, because it has a lot of components into it, including the always on display, which is a full featured one. So the size of the watch face is a lot more than the normal watch faces. That's why it is taking some more time than the other watch faces. So let it complete, and I will show you the watch face how it looks. Finally the watch face has been synced. You can see the watch face looks amazing on this Amazfit GTS 2 mini. It has this black background which really blends with the AMOLED display of the Amazfit GTS 2 mini. Also it has the golden accents which looks really great. So the watch face looks really wonderful. You can see if I focus, you will be able to see some more options like the heart rate here, and the date and the day in the left side, which is really great. And also there are some other options you can see in the down, and the color of the watch face looks fantastic and really goes with the brand Rolex here. So this is the watch face actually which you need to install. So now we will see the always on display, and this is the always on display guys. You can see the options in the down, those are not showing, only the date and the day is showing, and the Rolex symbol or the logo in here with the black and golden accent as the same as the watch face. So you can see this is an always on display, and it will never go off on the watch. It will always on, and it will look like a definite watch face on your smartwatch, which will look really great. So I will show you the original watch face now. So this is the original watch face guys. You may be really confused at first, because it is really a little bit different than the original watch face. The always on display and the original watch face looks similar, so don't get confused. Here we will get the heart rate option also with the date and the time and here is the always on display with no heart rate option. So you can understand the difference now, and the always on display is not that much bright as the original watch face, you can see, but yeah, definitely it looks good on the watch, and when it will not go off, then it's a really good thing. But keep in mind these things while using this watch face, as never set the screen of watch face option to enabled in schedule start mode, because what will happen, you will keep it as an always on display and the full battery of the watch will go out, because it will display it all the time. So make sure you have selected the enable in smart mode. This will help the watch to display the always on display only when you will be wearing the watch. So that is the thing you should be keeping in mind while using this watch face on your watch. Otherwise the watch face looks fantastic and the always on display also looks great. So this is the thing I wanted to show you guys, the Rolex watch face with the always on display mode, which will show the full watch face on your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification on, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.